caught on camera. They target cars in the middle of the night for solely one thing.
Beach, California. The man walks up to the car and using a small box, opens it.
The thieves are taking your pickup tailgate and they're going to sell it for cash.
Okay, we got a 2018 F-150 Ford. We end up installing the 1670 with the remote start with the module, so everything is through the key to the vehicle. And we went ahead and installed the Linkr unit, so he'll have GPS and the whole 9 yards from the app on his phone. He's able to arm and disarm it and everything. And this is for the iWatch now. I'm gonna get ready to show you guys how it works. To arm it, you're gonna hit lock. Okay, to disarm it. And then to remote start the puppy. Remote starts it. This is the voltage of the battery. This is the timer. It's going to start giving you a countdown. You know how long the car has been running for. Status bar on the top, and then the GPS. It's pretty nice. Yeah, gives you. And then you can go to your garage and you can select if you have multiple vehicles. You can select which one you want to be operating with. And then as far as the phone goes, I'll show you guys on the phone how it works. Okay, same thing. Turn off the vehicle. You can hit the unlock here. I mean, not the unlock, to turn off the vehicle. Locks your doors, arms the alarm, and it will tell you, you know, that the alarm is on and the car is on. Then the alarm is on and the doors are locked. It will just give you the lock icon here. Takes a few seconds, you'll see it. The signal of the unit, by the way, and the actual vehicle. This got 14.3 voltage in the car. Then you have the GPS, you know, gives us our contact information here.